Today I'm celebrating social workers doing incredible work all across Wales. The 21st of March is World Social Work Day, but at Social Care Wales we're using the whole week to celebrate the great work being done. Each day this week we'll have videos from a number of people, including politicians, practitioners and partners, really talking about their own thoughts and perspectives on the value of social work today. My first experience of social work was when my sister-in-law qualified in the 1970s, and she was helping young children who were finding it difficult to stay in school. And using a range of community therapeutic methods, she enabled those children to restart their education and get back onto the right track. And then in the 1980s, my younger sister qualified in Scotland, and she was helping families stay together despite the challenges of substance misuse and mental health. Then I started work in the public sector in Wales in the 1990s, so I became very familiar with the work of social workers in Wales. And what I can see from my experiences are social workers do an amazing job in connecting up with housing colleagues, with schools, with NHS and third sector organisations to really wrap around care and support to people who may be vulnerable at certain points in their lives. So I'd like to celebrate the great work social workers are doing right across Wales and ask you to look at those videos, share those videos so that we can spread the message and give our thanks to those people who are doing great work every day.